Baby's nursing. That is a big moose. If you could see this in person, holy macanoli. A big moose. Bigger in person. Camera doesn't do it justice. And she could be here for up to a week. And we wish she would leave, because it is very dangerous to go outside with her out there like that. To come between a baby and their mother will be deadly. She had a baby. It's there, right there. Glory to God. She had a baby. Oh my God. How wonderful. And no, we are not going outside, because she will kill us dead. Minutes old. Minutes old. Oh, glory to God. Wow. She's laying down. Yes. Amazing. Just an honor to see it. And she is ears back. She ain't playing. Not with her baby. All right. We're going to just let her have this side of the house, because that's hers now till she move on, because she will chase us. She ain't going nowhere till she's ready. So, all right, Madea. You do you, boo. Congratulations. We've named her Madea. Madea the moose. She's just standing out there with her ears pinned back. We thought there was maybe a baby on the other side, because she's not really grazing like they do. She's sort of looking out. So we think there's a baby. So nobody's going outside. Not for nothing. Because there's a killer moose on the loose. It might be her.